Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Subhashish and this is the second part of our user management system with the help of Node.js, MySQL and Bootstrap. So if you have not checked out our first part, then the link is in the I button. You can go and check out, then come to this video. In our previous video, we have set up the basic project, and in this video, we're going to connect Node.js with MySQL and set up the body parcels also. So without any further ado, let's get started. So welcome everyone, and if you have not started your Apache and MySQL, so open the XAMPP control panel and start the Apache and MySQL, and after that go to VS Code, and these codes we have complete in our previous video. If you have not watched this, then please watch them, and after that come to this video. And now we are going to create database. So for that, go to your web browser. Here you can search for localhost and click enter. Click on PHP my admin. And it is the dashboard of your PHP my admin. It is a GUI for your database, and here click on new, and here you can name your database as user management system hyphen node hyphen MySQL, and then you can click on create. Here you can give your table name, as I am giving here users, and I am giving the number of column as 7, and now click on go. And here you have to define the name for your table headers. So this part will be ID, and this will be first name, then this will be last name, and after that email, then phone, then comments, and after that status. ID should be int, and first name will be worker, last name also worker, email is also worker, phone is also worker because we have to add also the +91 type of numbers, and after that comments will also be worker, and status will be worker, and after that we have to give ID as primary key. So for that we have to click on auto increment so that it will automatically set it as primary key, and after that we can define the length of all the fields. So for ID I'm giving it as 10, then first name is 100, last name is also 100, email is 100, phone is 20, comments will be 200, then status will be 10, and here we can give a status as default, which can be as defined and active. The meaning of status is a user whose status is active. It means it is a valid user, and if we set manually a user status as not active, then we block that particular user in our database. In the web browser, only the active users details will be shown, and not active users details will not shown in the browser, but it will still available in our database. And after that scroll down and click on save, and as you can see the structure of our database is created. And now let's connect this database with our server. So go to the VS Code, and for this video I am setting up the database connection in the app.js file, but in later videos we're gonna make a separate file for the connection with database. So go to Chrome, and in the browser you can search for node plus MySQL, and then click on the first link and then scroll down, and here you can see first of all we have to require the MySQL dependency and code for the connection with Node.js and MySQL. I am simply copying it, and after that go to VS Code and you can paste it here, and after that you can simply place this require statement in the top of this program, and now you just need to replace this user, host and password with your database details. One thing here I missed is the DB, so database. So now our host is localhost, which is by default one. If you have rename your host, then you can give that, and here username is root. In the XAMPP, the user is by default, and if you have changed it, then you can give that. Then by default the password is not given in the database, and our database name is, let me check, in the database, which is user management system node MySQL. I am copying it and I can paste it here, and inside the connect method I am using the variable which contains the create connection method with the help of MySQL, and here we are calling a function which have a parameter as error. So if any error occurs, then it will simply throw the error, and if not, then it will console that our DB is connected. So I can write here DB connected, and let's run it. See, in my terminal it is showing as DB is connected. So to know that it is properly working or not, I am simply changing my password as whatever, and now as you can see the error has occurred. So now let me correct my password, and now it is working properly. So now let's use our .env file to secure our database details. So here I can simply copy this host, user, password and database and paste it inside our .env file, and now change all variable to the capital letters. So host, then user, then password, then database, and now just place them properly, and now remove this colon and use your equal to symbol, and now save it and go to app.js, and there you just need to write process.env.host, then copy this particular statement and replace it for user. So write here user, and here also write password, and after that the database. And now I think okay, I just need to remove this inverted comma, and now what is the problem here? Okay, I got it. Go to .env. So here you just need to remove this comma so that it will work properly, and go to app.js and save it, and as you can see DB is connected. So now whenever you upload your project, you don't need to upload the .env file, and whenever anyone see your project, he will not get your database details like host name, username, password, so it will more secure. And now I just need to tell you that I just forgot one thing, which is body parser, which is the most important thing. So let's add its code here. So go to browser and search here for body parser npm, and then go to the first link. Whenever you forget something, you just need to go to the browser and type there, and you can get easily all the thing. The body parser, let me check I have imported it or not. So first of all, I just need to import this require statement for body parser, and after that scroll down,
And now I just need to copy this particular statement so that I can implement it in app.js.
And you can paste them after the declaration of app. So here you can paste it. Don't worry, I will gonna explain all the functionality of body parser, and in our next videos we're gonna implement the body parser. But for now you can just need to do whatever I have done here, and in the terminal you can see our server is running and our database also connected. So this is all about for this video, and in our next video we will gonna work for our front end with the help of Bootstrap. So if you guys are excited, then subscribe to my channel and give it a like, and we will meet in our next video. Till then, keep coding.